Special raw banana curd recipe. This recipe is usually served along with rice only. Just give it a try. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 chopped raw banana. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 4 green chili seeds. Add some water to cook the banana. Close the lid and cook for 1 whistle on high flame. After 1 whistle, switch off the flame and keep it rest for 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, we can make the coconut paste. In a grinder jar, take 1 cup of grated coconut. Add half cup of water and grind it into a paste form. After 15 minutes, we can open the lid. Banana has cooked well. Keep it low flame and add the grinded coconut paste to it. Mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Cook on medium flame until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, add 3/4 cup of curd to it. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for a minute. After a minute, switch off the flame. Finally, in a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it sputters. When it starts spluttering, add 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seed to it. After 10 seconds, add 8 sliced shallots, some curry leaves. Saute it for 3 minutes until it becomes light golden color. Now, switch off the flame. Add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid. Stir only after 10 minutes. Our special raw banana curd recipe is ready. This recipe is usually served along with rice only. Just give it a try. You will really enjoy it.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.